Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify architectural plans and help you visualize your dream home. Today, we're taking a closer look at a cozy and efficient 914 square feet home layout that's perfect for modern living. Let's walk you through each section of this thoughtfully designed plan. One of the highlights of this plan is the charming courtyard, measuring 14 feet 7 inches by 9 feet 7 inches. It's a cozy outdoor space that's perfect for enjoying some fresh air, having a small garden, or even setting up a few chairs for outdoor lounging. Stepping inside, you'll find the drawing room, the main social space of the house. At 13 feet 10 inches by 13 feet, this room offers plenty of space for a comfortable sofa set, a TV, and a coffee table, making it the perfect gathering place for family and friends. Next up is the kitchen and dining area, where all the culinary magic happens. This combined space, measuring 13 feet 10 inches by 10 feet, is compact yet practical. It's ideal for both casual meals and everyday cooking, with enough room for cabinets, a dining table, and all your kitchen essentials. The plan includes 2 cozy bedrooms. Both the bedrooms measures 12 feet by 10 feet, perfect for a master suite setup with a queen-sized bed, wardrobe, and nightstands. Both bedrooms are strategically placed for privacy and comfort, making sure you have a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. Moving on, we have a compact but well-designed toilet and utility area. The bathroom is around 8 feet by 10 feet, offering enough space for a shower, toilet, and sink. A practical spot that's easy to maintain, with space for a small utility setup like laundry or extra storage. For those who love greenery, there are 2 dedicated gardening areas along the entryway, each measuring about 3 feet 5 inches wide. It's the perfect spot to add a splash of color with flowers, herbs, or small plants, giving the house a warm and welcoming feel. The entire house sits within a footprint of 32 feet 2 inches by 39 feet 10 inches, making the most of every square foot. It's a smart layout that combines coziness with practical living, perfect for a small family or anyone looking to downsize without compromising on comfort. That wraps up our tour of this compact and efficient home. If you loved this walkthrough or have any questions about creating your perfect space, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips and detailed plan breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.